I think a lot of the conversation that I want to drive in the industry with our clients, with our analysts, is around this concept of what is it that we can do from an AI perspective that augments what we're doing today.
Welcome back to another episode of TP.ai Talks. Today we have a very special guest, our new CEO, Jorge Amar. Jorge, thank you for joining us today.
Of course, a pleasure. Thank you for having me.
So, your first 60 days, how exciting. You had an amazing opportunity to visit clients around the world. Mm-hmm. Just wondering if maybe you could share some observations with the conversations that you had with them, any themes kind of crop up, and anything surprising to you as well.
I am incredibly privileged by stepping into an organization that has the quality and the depth of the relationships that we have. A lot of our clients refer to us as part of their extended family, that we do a lot of things for them. So that is one of the main things that I took away from many of those conversations, and it's an incredible asset for us to build on. The second is, of course, AI. And everyone is talking about AI. Of course, the maturity that I've seen is different depending on the sector, depending on the geography, depending, of course, on the company itself. Mm-hmm. But everyone is talking about it. They're talking about the opportunities. They have their business cases, but all of them feel or believe that they are not getting as much return as they would hope they would get. And that's a question for us. That's a question where they are coming to us, to our expertise, saying like, hey, what are the additional things that we could be doing together? Which are the additional things that, we could learn from? Mm-hmm. Which are the insights that you can bring to us in this AI transformation that we're all going on? So that is another element that has been front and center in most of my conversations. And the last point is around, everyone talks about AI, but very few people are talking about or thinking through the human AI orchestration layer. How to think 3 years from now, 5 years from now, when we are living in a world of a hybrid workforce, where we have a human workforce and when we have an agentic workforce, how do these two workforces work together, interact? One learns from the other. So this orchestration layer, it's another topic for discussion that I think companies are starting to think about.
Opportunity AI, mm-hmm. That's an interesting term. Can you tell us a little bit more about what that means and what that is?
I think so far the conversation around AI has been centered in what I call, or around what I call efficiency AI, which is let's do the exact same things that we're doing today with probably fewer people. And I think that leads to certain conversations. Of course, there are opportunities for automation in existing processes. Of course, there are opportunities for efficiency in terms of how fast we do some of these things. But fundamentally, we're not rewiring how companies work, how they provide support, how do they show up for their customers. When opportunity AI comes into play is, hey, of course there are opportunities for us to improve what we're doing today, but what is it that you could build if you had an unlimited workforce where access to data was no longer a constraint, where you had to find a way to differentiate, to create a branded AI experience. So all these opportunities, opportunity AI, what is it that you would build? And are you going to use AI to automate your 2015 process? Or are you going to use it to build your 2030 customer engagement model? And that's where, to me, opportunity AI comes into play. And that's why I think a lot of the conversation that I want to drive in the industry with our clients, with our analysts, is around this concept of what is it that we can do from an AI perspective that augments what we're doing today, that creates new opportunities, that allows us to get to new customers, that allows us to provide a different level of service, because AI allows us to do that.